Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through our target CPA calculator, also known as target cost per action or cost per activity or cost per acquisition calculator. So this nifty calculator will help you understand your CPA, which is cost per acquisition bidding, to optimize your data and your ad campaigns. So let's dive into it. So let's first understand what target CPA is. It's an automated bidding strategy which helps advertisers like you to get more conversions at a target cost per action. So it basically leverages historical campaign data and real time signals to adjust your bids and optimize for conversions. So the goal of target CPA bidding is essentially to optimize data and find the optimal CPC bid for an ad each time it's eligible to appear. So this calculator will help you determine your CPA based on your average customer profit and your desired return on investment. So let's look up with an example. Let's say your average profit per customer is $50 based on lifetime value. Then investment in customer acquisition, let's say 20%. So it is your willingness to spend 20% of the profit on the acquisition, and then is lead to sale conversion rate. Let's say it is 5%, only 5% of leads convert into paying customers. Simply hit calculate. You get your target CPA, which is 200. This means you should ideally spend no more than $200 to acquire a new customer while maintaining a 20% profit margin on their lifetime value. It's important to set a realistic and achievable target CPA based on the industry, context, and website performance. That is why it's important that you keep look into and monitor continuously monitor your campaign historical data, and to get industry context and website performance. Additionally, it's recommended to set the target CPA goal about 10% to 20% higher than the actual target to achieve the algorithm room to function correctly. So that's an additional tip for you. So if you want to explore more such calculators on our website related to advertisement and marketing campaign, you can go check out upgrow.in, go to the resources, and under resources you'll find calculators of different industries. We have SEO calculators, we have PPC calculators. Under PPC calculators, you can find more such related calculators: target CPA, convert your ROS target to a CPA target, health check your ROS target, and all other such matrices that you should continuously monitor for your ad campaigns in particular. And if you want a growth partner, you can book a consultation with our growth hacking specialist. So check out this calculator from the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online business. Thank you for tuning in.